How to change Canva background color. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change Canva's background color. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva. After you own your Canva, you can create a new project or simply head over to the project that you're working on. So I'll just swipe down here and use a project from my designs. And there we are. So to change the background color, you'll actually need to select the background. So let this load first. And while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So as you can see, this has now been loaded. And if I want to change the background color, all I have to do is select the background, not the image, but the background here. And after I tap on the background, on the top bar, you'll find this background color option. Tap on the background color option. Then you can simply choose a background color. So there you can see there are a lot of different colors available. You can choose different gradients as well, such as this. And yeah, this is basically how you can change background color from your Canva. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.